Hi, I'm April Go Lightly, and today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing haul and try on from American Eagle. Let's get started. We have all this really awesome like loungewear kind of workout stuff. For this stuff, I work out in it, but I also kind of lounge in it. This one's called Offline by Aerie Real Me Extra Bootcut Legging. I got it in an extra large and it fits really great. I did have to alter the length on it because it was a little bit long for me. It fits really well and it has decent coverage. It's made out of nylon and elastane, and I just really love this color, this marbled blue. They have it in a ton of stuff and I definitely want to get more than I've already purchased. So I bought the leggings, the bootcut leggings, and I bought the wrap top, and it's kind of a wrap top. I really like it, and you can wear it either crossed in the front or you can turn it around and have it where the higher neckline is in the front and then the back the cross. And then they also have some sports bras that look really cute and would look really cute with it that I'm planning on buying. I really try to purchase all of my items from American Eagle on sale. So when I bought the pants and the leggings, those were on sale, but the bras weren't. So I decided I was going to wait on the sports bra to match this. So I definitely will get that eventually as well. I'm going to link everything down below, including the sports bra that I'm talking about, because I feel like it would look really cool with this. And see, it's a little slightly see-through, so I feel like you might need the sports bra that matches it, because I think that would make it better. The next collection that I'm super excited to share is actually the Aerie Pool to Party collection. Here I'm wearing the cover up and the shorts in this beautiful blue color. This one is called Light Wash, which I guess is I think it's a double cotton gauze material. It's super comfortable, super soft, washes really well. The shorts run true to size. The top actually runs a little bit oversized, so definitely get your actual size if you want it to look oversized, or get one a little bit smaller. In the shorts, I'm wearing an extra large. They're high-waisted and they have pockets. You can wear it as a cover-up or wear it around and just like as hangout clothes during the summertime. It's super lightweight. Here I am wearing it with my fanny pack that I probably would wear this outfit to Disney. I also am wearing it with this little tank top that I got from American Eagle. I really like it. It's super comfortable. It's just like a basic tank top. And it has that little extra V in the middle, which I really appreciate because I don't really like to just have like a plain, just black, white tank. I feel it has something extra to it. American Eagle has amazing bras. Their bralettes have been like saviors for me as a big busted woman. This one is the lace eyelash padded plunge bra. This is actually, I think, the second iteration of it. I have a few of the old ones, and these are the new ones. They go for $39.95, and it's extra small all the way to extra large, and then they have extra large double D, large double D. So there's tons of options. It's super soft. You can take the padding out. The straps are adjustable, and also you can do that racer back in the back if you want to as well. You can change it up if you want. I really love it. They have a ton of different colors. This time I got a nude color. Let me see what the nude color is called. Soft satin. Soft satin? I think that's the color that I got. It's a very light colored one, and I really like it. Since I love the bralette so much, I decided to try out the actual bras. This one is called the Real Sunshine Full Coverage Lightly Lined Bloom Lace Trim Bra. Wow, that's a mouthful. I got it in the vintage vanilla, which is kind of like a nude color, and I really like it. I got it in a 40 double D, and it fits really well. And I also like the fact that there is a little bit of lace there, which is kind of fun, and also you can also make it racer back in the back. Really like the fit. I like that it's lightly lined, or it's not super padded, which is super annoying when you're very big busted. The next item that I wanted to share with you guys is actually these cargo joggers. They're high-waisted and they're kind of like a jogger jegging. Super comfortable. I actually had these years ago from American Eagle, like something very similar. Since cargo joggers or cargos are just back in, I decided to give it a try and they're super comfortable. They have like a tie waist, which I really like, and I'm definitely a huge fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I absolutely love all the items that I've featured today. Everything that I talked about today will be linked down below. Also, check out these other videos here where I'm doing other try-on hauls.